as you can see here, a wild Kyle. They're known for their extreme viciousness and anger towards people. As we see, they are getting ready to pounce, sending the test subject. They're indeed strong. Okay, test subject. We're gonna shoot it with a dart. Pew. Okay, you die now. Die now. He's killing me. Video over. Video over.
Oh no!
Oh god, you idiot. Oh, it's the adienster, as you can see in its natural habitat. Yes, indeed. Legend has it, if you look directly in its eyes, you will die. Now, let's get a close-up of him. Ah! Ah! Is the footage so good?